I bet you have heard that intermittent fasting is dangerous, that it will leave you fainting at your desk, eat up all your muscles, or slow your metabolism. What if I told you none of that is true? In fact, fasting can boost your energy, protect your muscles, speed up your metabolism, and even help you live longer. How is that possible? Let's see. Myth number 1. It's just another trendy, dangerous fad diet. Do you think fasting is just the latest health craze that's gonna mess you up? Here's the thing. Intermittent fasting is actually an ancient practice. People have been doing it for thousands of years in cultures and religions all over the world. Modern science says that it's safe for healthy adults as long as you eat real food during your eating window, plenty of protein, healthy fats, carbs, vitamins, and minerals, stay hydrated, and don't have any medical reasons not to fast. Think of fasting like a tool your body already knows how to use. It's just a schedule with an alarm that gives your body a chance to do some cleaning and repair itself. Myth number 2. I will pass out at work from hunger. Worried that skipping breakfast means you will be face down on your keyboard by 11 a.m.? Not even close. In healthy people, a short fast doesn't tank your energy. Once you adapt, your body switches smoothly from using food energy to using stored fat called ketones. Ketones are like that steady, reliable friend who never bails on you. They give you stable energy without post-meal crashes. Plus, your adrenaline and noradrenaline go up and keep you alert. You also get better at handling those no-food situations, like delayed flights or meetings that never end. Myth number 3. My brain can't function without food. Heard that your brain has to have glucose from food or it's game over? Truth is that your brain does need fuel all the time, but that fuel doesn't have to come from glucose. After several hours without food, your body uses stored sugar in your liver and muscles called glycogen. When that runs low, your body switches to ketones from fat. And here's the twist. Ketones can actually be a better brain fuel than glucose. They cause fewer energy swings, so your brain can run smoother. You stay focused, in the zone, and free of that post-lunch fog. Perfect for work meetings or study sessions. On top of that, ketones boost a special protein called BDNF. Think of it like natural fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps with memory and keeps your neurons in good shape. Myth number 4. I will lose muscle, not fat. Worried that your body will start munching on your biceps the second you skip a meal? Good news is that is not how it works. First, your body burns through stored sugar in the liver and muscles, and then fat. Muscle loss is minimal as long as you eat enough protein during your eating window and stay active. Plus, fasting actually increases growth hormone, which helps protect and rebuild muscle. So you can lift weights while fasting and still recover just fine. Research shows that fasting helps you lose fat while keeping lean muscle, which is basically the goal, right? Myth number 5. Fasting will slow my metabolism to a crawl. Heard that fasting will put you in starvation mode and shut down your calorie burning? True starvation mode only happens after long-term, severe undereating, not after skipping a few meals. Short fasts, up to 48 hours, can even boost your metabolism thanks to adrenaline and growth hormone. With intermittent fasting, you're not drastically cutting calories, so you avoid the long-term slowdown that comes with chronic dieting. Only very prolonged fasts, like many days in a row, can seriously lower your metabolism. Here is a bonus fasting benefit for you: supporting longevity. Fasting can help slow down aging and keep you healthier for longer because it flips on your body's repair systems: autophagy, DNA repair, and clearing out damaged proteins. Autophagy is like cleaning crew for your cells. It tosses out the junk that could cause problems later. That means less chronic inflammation, tissue damage, and a better shot at staying sharp and active as you age. It also lowers your risk for things like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's. Want more energy and better focus? Check out this video and match your eating schedule to your own chronotype. Thanks for watching and see you next time.